Dad is typing. Dad is typing. Dad is typing! Dad! Okay, it's just a thumbs up. Why did it take him so long? A person from Iceland is Icelandic. So a person from Thailand is Thailandic. No, a person from Thailand is Thai. So a person from England is Ing. No, a person from England is English. So a person from Switzerland is Switzerlish. No, a person from Switzerland is Swiss. What the frick? Make up your dang mind! Me at 1:30 a.m. Me at 6 a.m. Who could have predicted this? At 86, I have acquired superpowers. I can point around corners. I don't think that's supposed to happen. When the main barber is busy and the random trash barber is trying to make eye contact with me. Don't you dare reject the haircut, he's got a blade to your neck. People when I take off my glasses. How many fingers am I holding up? Bro, I see this. Not this.
Yay, he became a frog.
When you finally kissed a girl at 24 years old. The Terminator wins. Flawless victory. Can chickens swim? 71 million people, including me. Well, I mean, if they can't, this is just a run video, so. When you buy a car after 5 years of saving, and Superman throws it at a villain and completely misses. Oh, and Superman wants to talk about saving? Could 100 men beat a gorilla? Literally our ancestors. I assume we're talking no weapons, man. Lifting 60 kilograms. Calm. Talking to 60 kilograms. Panic. When you start buying your own food and realize how much of a financial burden you were to your parents. How 8-year-old me felt trying to write with that pen that had the massive unicorn on the end. I'm not taking off the topper. When you find out your teacher stole Woody. No way. People who take cold showers for the benefits when you ask them what those benefits are. Super cool stuff you wouldn't understand. Men when injured. I'm alright. Men when sick. I don't think I have much time left. I was born in 2017. Sounds so fake, bro. Nobody's born that late. Dude missed everything. I want to update and shut down my PC. Update and reset. West Ham, East Ham, Fulham, Nottingham. Bro thought I was dumb. Mr. Incredible, you cannot hide. Son, pack your things. Tomorrow you turn 18. But Mom, I don't have anywhere to go. Why are you home later than 22 o'clock? You want your mother to die of worry? You're only 30. Sorry, Ma. I love you. This girlfriend crap is easy AF. Look, it's me and you.
Aw, us.
When you're doing some weird crap and someone's at the door. Define weird crap. The doctor. Don't worry, the x-ray is safe. Also the doctor as soon as they turn it on. Come on, gotta go get my armor of lead. Our parents who drink 7 coffees a day look at you when you mention an energy drink. Wow, I have way too much money. Dang it, what am I gonna do with all this money? It's literally falling out of my pockets. Won't someone please take some of this money? So anyway, that's how I imagine our target audience. German having a word for everything. Other languages. Literally just putting 2 or more words together. Come on, man, don't gotta stretch out that dictionary. Me when I accidentally open a chat that I was ignoring. Oh, great, can't leave it on red anymore or else I'll forget. Man, woman, gay, straight, black, white, young, old, rich, poor, ugly. Detective who asked where I got all these skulls from. Yeah, that's kind of a concern. Plan to make a groove figurine. Make a groove figurine. It can't stand alone? It can't stand alone. 13-year-old me on World of Warcraft helping a 27-year-old woman through a divorce. And that's how I got really good at giving advice. Living in Japan without the J. You can get buried in a baguette coffin and put the fun in funeral. I'll stuff you all into crust! Sashimi rollin', they hatin'. This is honestly the content I'm here for every day. Well, that's what this channel's for. I'm afraid the zombie apocalypse will start and I won't have one of those shirts. Restaurant open from 1 p.m. You arrive at 1:05 p.m. You get scolded because they just opened. Bro, when the person you're trying to cheer up says you actually helped. Yo, thank you! Old Spice commercials back in the day. Ladies, look at your man, now look at me. Now look at your man, now look back at me. Sadly, your man is not me. Power! Old Spice commercials now.
I don't want to share my Old Spice.
Dude, lock in. When you're a plumber trying to fix the pipes and she starts undressing. She's the 7th one today. Hey, are you going to sleep? Yes, now shut up. If the minions didn't isolate themselves in the ice cave until the 60s, they would have served Hitler. Whoa. Oh, wait, but they're like really bad minions, right? So they would get him killed? Maybe they should have found him. Make creating new accounts to get 1 month free trials. Hey, shut up for a sec, my dad's calling. My friend next to me about to make the most authentic female moaning sound you have ever heard in your life. Manager, you've been late 4 times this week. Do you know what that means? Me. Must be Thursday. Ba-dum-ts. Watching the most beautiful woman I've ever seen board the train, sit next to me, glance at me once or twice, and then get off at a random station. If only I had the balls. My teeth. Teeth of a muffin sucker that lived 10,000 years ago. I made fried rice. What the hell? How your dad looks at you when you tell him you don't know his Gmail password. News. Mosquitoes found in Iceland for the first time after recorded heat. Plague Incorporated players. Oh boy, new diseases. Yay. So-called AI artists' artistic skills the moment that ChatGPT's servers go down. Adios. Yeah, and stay gone. My 4-digit PIN protecting my 2-digit account balance.
Don't touch my friend.
When you finally meet a green flag, but now the red flag is you. No! Why does every band from the 2000s have a guy that looks like this? Life, it never die. Women are my favorite guy. Me, drops 3 motherboard screws on the floor. Floor? Best I could do is 2. When you're drunk AF and your friend says, let's go to Taco Bell. Let the conquest begin! Fast fingers. Does 2 + 2 equal 4? Will you go out with me? Yeah? Wait! Sneak 100. I still work, but the light in me has gone. Hey, it's just like me! How big companies feel when they add a "Please recycle me" label on their products. We're so kind to nature. When you realize you actually live at work and visit your house. No! We are making strides in combating climate change. Iceland just got mosquitoes? Oh god. Me.
I will do it when I'm home.
Me when I'm home. I'll do it tomorrow. Back in my day, phones used to come with a 3.5mm headphone jack inbuilt. And we got the charger and earphones in the box too! Earphones? Oh, jealous. Steve Harvey, name a body part that someone would touch doing Shreks. Contestant. Pee-pee? Steve Harvey. Yeah, how could you say that? It's a family show! In 2007, a married couple in Bosnia started cheating in online chat rooms. When they decided to meet in person, they realized they had been cheating on each other with each other. The husband. The wife. Romantic or relationship ending? I've got no idea, man. Anyway, guys, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, peace!